Today's recipe, the world's best salsamole. I guarantee it. When we're done with these ingredients, you're going to have to stand watch over the salsa bowl if you want some for yourself. Let's start with tomatoes. Vine ripe, heirloom, roma, they all work nicely here. I like to chop them into about 1/4 to 1/2 inch pieces. The trick is to not be so perfect about it. For our OCD viewers, consider this therapy. Put the tomato and the juice into a nice sized bowl and move on to the onion. I'm using a sweet onion such as Mayan or Vidalia, but I guess red onion would be considered more traditional. I know there are tricks to prevent tears while chopping onion, but the best I've found, believe it or not, I like to wear ski goggles. They really work. Green onions are one of the key ingredients here. I use midway through the bulb all the way up to where the onion just starts turning dark green. Don't mince it too finely, just a quick chop is all it takes. Add those to the bowl so they don't get lonely. Next, cilantro. Love it or hate it, it's still fun to say. 4 to 14% of the population thinks cilantro tastes like soap. I'm wondering if maybe I'm just used to the taste of soap. I sure did swear a lot when I was a kid. And why is it whenever I open an avocado, I feel like I'm watching the sunrise for the very first time? As you can tell, there's some technique for removing the seed and for removing the meat. I like to do it this way so that it comes out nice and easy. Now watch how easy it scoops right out. It's actually kind of fun once you get the hang of it. Aren't those colors pretty? Now take a lime and roll it firmly on the cutting board or the counter to release all those juices. Ah yeah, make it rain. Let's slow this one down a little bit. There it is. We're going to hit it with some salt, then a little bit of garlic powder, and finally, the secret ingredient, and it only takes a little, balsamic vinegar. Now we're going to mix, and you'll notice I'm using a knife to do this. Over the years of making this recipe, I've found this technique gives it just the right consistency. Slice downward and mix inside the bowl until all the ingredients are combined. You want to make sure the avocado is chopped down to about the same size as the tomatoes. There's really no wrong way to do this. Just keep slicing and stirring, and now and then pick up a spoon and stir it with that. Once it starts to turn a milky color, give it a stir and you're ready to taste. If you have to add a little extra salt or vinegar, that's up to you. So grab some fresh tortilla chips and watch how quickly this stuff disappears. And as usual, the full recipe's in the description. Here comes the money shot. There it is. Thanks for watching.